What's up guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps to connect your Telegram account to Whop. So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and click your profile on the lower left hand side once you're in Whop and click on connected accounts in the middle there. Now you want to find Telegram, click on that, and from here you're going to get the steps all that you have to do to connect to your Telegram account. Now all you have to do really guys is simple. Open up Telegram and you want to basically search for Whop that bot. So as you can see here, it's telling you as well, it says just need to open Telegram and search for that. And once you find it, you want to start a conversation and you want to put in this particular code. Now I'm going to just quickly grab my phone real quick, and I believe I still have Telegram installed on my phone here. Let me check. Yeah, I do. So let's go ahead and test that out real quick. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just quickly open up Telegram and I'm going to search for that. It says type in Whop. Now you might not be seeing this on my phone right now, but you will realize that I actually link it. So I'm going to follow the step. I'm going to type that in. So all I'm going to do is just search for the Whop.bot. So once you open up Telegram, you just need to search for this. Just want to search for this part that says Whop underscore bot. And once you do that, you will find that Whop there. So you want to open that and click start chat, and you'll basically click start. Now from there, you want to go ahead and enter that what they sent to you. So it's basically AARLPN. And once I type that in, I'm just going to click on send, and it's going to wait for confirmation. And look how quick that is, guys. All I did was send it real quick, that code that it gave to me on my phone in that Telegram chat, and it's just basically connect my Telegram to it. And that was super fast. And that's all that you really have to do, guys. I know I didn't show you from the phone, but if you know how to use Telegram, it is super simple. Once you open up the Telegram app, you just need to click the search, which is on the upper right hand side in Telegram, and you just need to search for the Whop underscore, but you'll 100% find it. You click on that, and then you'll basically click on start chat, and you just fill in that code that it shows to you, and that's all that you would have to do, really. And that's how you'll be able to connect your Telegram to that Whop account. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.